Okay, guys and ladies, so it's finally here. Nightwish new album, Human Nature. And we're gonna unbox it. I cut the tapes on the box because my camera battery has died. So I can't shoot it with the camera and with the tripod. So I have to do this with the phone and with one hand. So I already cut the tapes, but I haven't looked inside yet, I swear. So let's do this right now. So there should be a hoodie as well with the album, but oh yeah, it is here. Yeah. Look at this. This is some useless papers. Oh yeah, and the album is down there. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Yeah, just a simple logo here. Jesus, this is hard to do with one hand only. So yeah, the simple logo, the nature symbol, the human symbol, and yes, the backside has, wow, the huge, album cover. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, so let's move on to the album. Come here. Here it is. So I ordered the Earbook version of the album. Let's take her out. Okay, this is the... Look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. So, yeah, let me just cut the plastic thing real quick. Yep. Let's get rid of it. I hate doing these things. Oh, it's so hard with one hand. Just a moment. Oops. Okay. All done. So we got the front. Here we got the back. And it's heavy and really thick. So let's take a look inside. Alright, here we have disc 1 and disc 2, which is the main album part, right? Disc 1 the human part, disc 2 the nature part. Here we got the nature symbol. Yeah, once again, a human nature symbol on a totem. Beautiful. And lyrics and illustrations, music. Alright. Noise. Shoemaker. Harvest. Pan. How's the heart? Procession. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Wow. Tribal. Endlessness. The band and floor is absolutely beautiful. Vista. So I think this is for the second disc, all the works of nature which adorn the world. So we've got Vista, the blue, the green, Morse. Yay. Yay. Anthropocene ad astra. This is beautifully done. The hell is this? If anybody knows what this is, let me know. Yeah, and